Good morning, welcome back to the All Seasons channel. Today, Cameron and I are going to be working on this Ariston Dryer. We're going to be putting a heating element in that. And here's our new heating element with the limit switches. And we're going to try our best to take you guys and gals along for this repair. So let's get started. This is here's your model number. This is the Splendide stackable units. So, yep, we're gonna change this heating element today, and so here we go. All right, we did not show you taking it out of the camper. It really was actually a pretty easy one. But from what I understand, that heating element is way down the bottom of this machine, and we have to remove the top and maybe the back and the side, one of the sides. I don't know what all we got to remove. First thing we do is take the top off. I'm fairly certain that is going to be over here on this side. So I am going to remove this side over here first. But I pretty sure that I'm gonna have to remove the back also. In order to get this side off, there's a bunch of screws down the back. There's a screw up here on the top corner on both sides. So I believe we have to remove the panel where the control switch and all that's at to get to another screw. Let's see here. Might need that. Okay, there's a couple screws inside too that hold that control panel on. Or there's one more. Actually, there's just one over on this side. So we got that screw out over there. There's a couple clips back here. That's okay, we can reach under. We actually do not have to completely remove that front panel because it's stuck on something, I can't tell what. We just need to raise it up enough to get this one screw out right here. Okay. And then we might have a screw down here at the bottom. Yep, we do. All right, and then we got 4 or 5 screws up the back here. I believe that is going to release this side. It has to slide back. There's actually a screw in the bottom. But I'm looking for the heating element, and I actually think it might be on the other side. It's not on this side, it's on the other side. I'm just going to stick a couple screws back in this. Sometimes you just got to take stuff apart because you can't see down in there. Just gonna put that one screw back in there for right now. And so we're gonna, no, we can get here. Get this one side out. All right, let me move y'all around here. Okay, so we're actually gonna take this side off. There was a screw up inside, up top here, and it's probably the same screw here on the front, yep. And then all the screws down the back. some wires that are twist tied to this, so get those loose. All right, so there's a screw down here on the bottom, so Cameron's gonna go over and I'm gonna tip it back so I can get that last screw out. I've got a little more, but alrighty, he's gonna set it back down. We're gonna see if we can get this side off. Well, that was easy. Okay, I talked to the guys at Splendide this morning and they said the side had to come off because of this. You can't get to this connector right here. So now the heating element's gonna be on the back here. So we're gonna take all these screws out here. Our heating element is going to be right here. Yes, there it is. 2 more screws and it comes out. Got a little clip thing here that holds the wiring harness in, and then that cover comes off, and you guys can't see nothing. Here is our heating element. That's what we're changing. So I'm gonna just go around here and unplug this 4-pin connector right here. There we go. Cameron's gonna give me the new one. Stick the connector through, plug it in, and then everything just works in reverse fashion. It was a pretty easy job. The good thing about the dryers, they're really light to get in and out of the coach too. Okie dokie. That's all the screws on the back. Go ahead and get all the screws back in the side that I didn't need to take off. And it's just, I don't know, probably about 6 or 8 screws I didn't have to take off. No, not the end of the world. Sometimes, I mean, you can't overthink it. You just got to do it sometimes, and sometimes you do stuff that you have to undo, but there's no way of knowing where this stuff is without looking for it. So the only way you can look for it is take stuff apart. That's why I'm doing this video. Maybe I'll save somebody from taking this side off over here when they don't have to. See, I'll take one for the team every now and then. no biggie. I believe that is all of that side. So when you go to put these sides back on, you'll completely see it if you do this. There's a couple little clips down here on the bottom that go in these slots. So you kind of got to put the door down. And slide it onto those little tabs down there. It's not much, just like so. All right, got the side on. Got one more screw put on the bottom. Cameron's on his way over right now to tip the machine back. So we get that screw back in the bottom. Just like that. All right, put it back down. Now we get to clip the front panel back on. Like such. There's a couple screws up here. All right, so there you have it. There's replacing the heating element in your Ariston or Splendide stackable, or I guess just apartment size, but they are stackable as well, dryer. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. So me and Cameron's gonna go fix some other things on this camper, and y'all have a great day.